Hello, today let's prepare together the Zeppole of St. Joseph's Day, both in the oven cooked and fried version. Subscribe to the channel and let's start immediately. We start by taking the pulp from half a vanilla bean. Then we bring 6 egg yolks in a small bowl and mix them with a hand whisk with 250 grams of granulated sugar. Subsequently, add 60 grams of sifted rice starch. And mix again by adding a little bit of fresh milk to avoid the formation of lumps. Now, add the vanilla pulp and mix well. Pour the rest of the milk for a total of 500 milliliters in a saucepan. If we have a vanilla bean from which we have already taken the seeds, add it to the milk. Bring to a boil and turn off the heat. Remove the vanilla bean. And bring a couple of ladles of milk into the mixture with the yolks. Mix and bring everything back to the small saucepan. Turn on the heat over low heat and bring to the first boil. Stirring constantly. Then, pour the cream into a bowl and let it cool completely, covered with cling film. Now, proceed to the preparation of the dough with 60 milliliters of water, 60 milliliters of fresh whole milk, and 125 grams of butter. And a pinch of salt. Bring to a boil over medium heat, stirring with a spatula. Just when the mixture comes to a boil, pour 130 grams of sifted 00 flour and mix vigorously until an opaque patina is created on the bottom of the saucepan. Pour the dough into a large container and let it cool for a few minutes. Then add 4 eggs, one at a time, incorporating each man before adding the following one. Then pour the dough into a pastry bag using spout number 1M. To form the donuts on baking paper with this spout, you can get 10 Zeppole. We cooked in sunflower oil at the optimal temperature of 170 degrees centigrade. Remember, by wetting the paper with oil, the zeppole will come off easily. So we continue cooking until they are golden brown. Check the correct temperature that will allow us to cook the zeppole without using oil. At the end of cooking, let the zeppole cool on kitchen paper. You can also cook the zeppole in a ventilated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for about 20 minutes. Let them cool with the oven semi-open using a wooden spoon. Then, we can sprinkle with powdered sugar and garnish with custard and a cherry in syrup. Continue watching our videos. Take a look at the special party playlist or the suggested videos. See you next time.